Hello, this is Christina from Nexus. We're at 90 South Main Street in Natick, apartment 2, second floor. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, including laundry in the unit. We are starting our tour in the kitchen. Nice spacious kitchen with the island. Lots of windows, bright area. You walk around. Beautiful stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinets, counter space. Special with addition of this island. From here we will go right into the bathroom, and the door to the right is the entry to the unit. And here you have pretty decent layout, and the same toilet. You have a bathtub for those who enjoy baths. Awesome, I like this. Nice new vanity, and as I spin around you will notice a stackable washer and dryer. Very nice. Another quick look at the beautiful kitchen. From here we're going to the first bedroom. Each bedroom has a closet. Again, lots of windows, nice and bright. Right. And here's the closet space with light. Each closet has also a light in there. Beautiful. And notice the nice hardwood floors. They're always better than carpets. From here we will go into the living room. Great. The door on the left is the exit door from another staircase to the unit. There are private entry on both sides. No shared hallways. Wonderful. Next is the second bedroom to our left here. A little smaller than the bigger one, but it's ideal for an office, perhaps a kids room, nursery. And our next step is the final bedroom. Right straight ahead from here. There's a smaller hallway here. You could possibly put some furniture for additional storage if you needed one. Closet. Pretty big, deep closet in here in this room. Very nice. Again, plenty of sunlight, windows. I am here in the around 4 p.m. in afternoon. Thank you.